International Human Rights Law. International Human Rights Law is a body of international norms and a legal instrument that seek to protect the fundamental rights and freedoms of individuals and groups worldwide. Definition and nature of human rights. Human rights are inherent to all human beings regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or any other status. Historical development. In 1945, the United Nations was established with the goal of maintaining peace and promoting human rights.
For human rights instrument, the foundation of IHRL is based on the International Bill of Human Rights, which includes: first, Universal Declaration of Human Rights or UDHR 1948. Second, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights ICCPR 1966. International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights or ICESCR 1966. These are supplemented by specific conventions. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination or CEDR. Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women or CEDAW. Convention on the Rights of the Child or CRC. Convention Against Torture or CET. Enforcing mechanism. Enforcing international human rights remains a challenge due to the principle of state sovereignty. However, several mechanisms exist. UN or Human Rights Council monitors violations and promotes dialogue. Treaty bodies, committees that oversee implementation of specific treaties. Next is international courts. International Courts of Justice or ICT. International Court. International Court of Justice.
Challenges and implementation. Despite a well-developed framework, IHRL faces several obstacles. 1. Lack of enforcement power. Many human rights instruments lack binding enforcement. Political interest. Powerful nations may avoid scrutiny. Cultural relativism. Some states challenge the universality of rights on the cultural or religious grounds. Conflicts and instability. War zones and authoritarian regimes often ignore human rights obligations. Conclusion. International human rights law is a critical part of the global legal system. It articulates a shared commitment to human dignity and justice. While significant progress has been made, challenges in enforcement and political will remain. Strengthening compliance and promoting a universal respect for human rights require ongoing effort from government, civil society, and international institutions.